Hey, what's up everybody? This is Julio Franco once again with Creating Passive Income. All right, check it out. I got something good for everybody, okay? I know that everybody is trying to make money online these days. It is possible. A lot of people don't think it's true. Shoot, even I had my doubts, okay? But don't get me wrong, there's always a but for everything, right? But anyways, look, it's not hard, guys. It's not very complicated, okay? A lot of people make it seem like it's very hard, but it's not, okay? That's why you're here, because you want to know how you can create that passive income that you've been searching for, that people that have been talking about, that there is a way to make money online. There is. Guys, my name is Julio Franco, and I want to welcome you to my channel, Creating Passive Income. Check it out. First things first, okay? Everybody knows that if you're serious about making money online, you have to buy tools. There's tools that you have to get no matter what, okay? But leaving that thing aside right now, all you need to do is follow my 3 steps that I'm going to show you, okay? Just 3 steps. You're not going to have no need to buy autoresponder. You don't have to go buy no different funnels, okay? I got 3 different products that you guys can copy and model, and you're gonna start having results, okay? It's pretty simple. 2 of these products, it's free to get started, okay? It's free because they want you to go ahead and try it out, and if it's a good fit for you and a good fit for your business, of course you're gonna say, hey, you know what, it's common sense, I can use this. All right, it's like I said, you create a business, but within that business you need to have tools, and if you don't have those right kind of tools, your business is not gonna grow. So check this out. I came across this awesome opportunity to get leads and convert them into sales. Okay, now check this out. Okay, look, the first thing is gonna ask you delete pending friend request. All right, everybody knows that on Facebook is where everybody does the majority of their business. Okay, right now TikTok, it's growing. Facebook right now, it's still going. Okay, so I'm a business person. I work online, so I'm gonna try to get as many platforms that I can. Okay, so I like to work with Facebook because this tool is for Facebook use. So check this out and pay attention. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this video short. I do apologize. I'm gonna try to make this video short and simple. But look, if you pay close attention and you follow my steps, you will. Okay, you will have results. And the way you're gonna have those results is by putting the time and the effort. Okay, how much time you dedicate to your business, that's how you see your results. Little income disclaimer. I'm not gonna say that you're gonna get rich. Okay, I'm not gonna say that you're gonna make thousands from matter of days. No, it's not gonna happen. Okay, if you're looking to get rich quick scheme, okay, this is not for you. I mean, I'm gonna be very transparent. Okay, this is for people that really want to put the time and effort into it. And I promise, if you put the time and effort into anything you do, you will have results. Okay, it's just that's how it is. But check this out. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is my profile. Like I said, you're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go here. Messenger. Okay. You're gonna start seeing here. You see, hot leads, hot lead. All of these right here, they're leads. You can start seeing popping in blue. See, cold lead, yellow lead, or that's a follow up. Client, follow up. You guys get the point. I am having my business in automation. What I'm telling you is I can step away from this desk and this business is going to run by itself, okay? And I know everybody has so many different opportunities that they want to promote. And I know there's a lot of great opportunities out there, you know. But you can do this with any type of niche. It doesn't matter if you're in a weight loss. It doesn't matter if you're into affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter if you're into MLM. It doesn't matter what niche you're promoting or you're in. It will work because look, I'm giving you a little review, okay? Let me show you. My groups. Okay. And then this one right here, guys. If you're not in the 3-day challenge, I'm telling you, go to my video, okay? I'm gonna leave this link through into the description. You gotta. Oh my gosh, this is a Jonathan would tell you he did great with this 3 days business breakthrough challenge. Okay, this is you gotta go get this. You're only gonna be paying $7, but that's not the deal. Okay, I mean the whole reason why you're here is because you want to learn how to make more money, right? More money means more sales. You gotta have more sales to make more money. And then you're gonna have leads. Everybody needs leads for their business. Let me see, affiliate marketing. Check this out, guys. Bear with me. Let's say I want to go to this group right here. Okay. And then I go to members. Okay. There are 3 admins. Keep this in mind. You always go here. 3 admins and 3 moderators. Okay. All right. Now you go where it says members with things in common. You see all. Click where it says see all. And then I bring my little friend over here. Check this out. Look, I mean, it says right here 5 minutes. Okay, I'm doing 25. And I'm gonna do this for affiliate marketing. And then boom. All right, you're watching. Okay. So what it's doing, it's actually sending friend requests, okay, to people, and it's kind of giving them a welcome little message introducing myself, you know, how to start engaging. And a lot of people have been responding to me about what is this software, or how do I get it, or how can I start. It's pretty simple. Go down into the description and you're gonna find the link in there, okay? I'm telling you, you guys really want to make your business multiply times 10. This is what you need. This is amazing. Like I said, I can leave and it'll do it up to 25 people, and then it'll start all over again if you ask, or if you want it to. I mean, I don't know how much more automated it can get. So, but anyways, I'm gonna leave it running like that, so that way I won't have to mess with it. All right. And then well, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you find any interest, if you have any comments, go ahead and just drop them below. Another thing, do me a favor, if you found any good value information in this video, do me a favor, go ahead and, you know, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like my video, and also make sure you smash that bell, so that way every time I come out with a new video, you know, you'll be one of the first ones to get notified about it. So guys, I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one.